Yes, Sasika students. So today we are going to do exercise. What is the name of exercise? This is 13.8 class ninth. Chapter is surface area and volume. So today we are concentrating on the surface area and volumes of spheres and hemisphere. So first question. Before we do the first questions, we see. Yes, Monrose, please speak loudly. Volume of sphere, loudly.
4 by 3 pi r cube.
What is R?
R is the radius of the hemisphere.
Sphere.
Sphere.
Sphere or hemisphere. Yes, second. Ucha.
Surface area of sphere 4 pi r square.
So it is 4 times the area of a
Circle.
of radius
R.
R. Yes, next, loudly.
Hemisphere.
Hemisphere. What is hemisphere? If we cut the sphere into two
Equal
equal
part.
parts, we get hemisphere. Like lemon, we can cut lemon, we get two equal. Lemon is a solid hemisphere, but our bowl in which we can take tea, coffee, or something, curd, that is a hollow hemisphere. So what is the volume of hemisphere?
2 by 3 pi r cube.
So it is half the volume of
Sphere.
sphere, right? Now, Sargun will speak loudly. What is the surface area of a solid hemisphere?
4 pi r
Loudly.
square. 4 pi r square.
4 pi r square.
Surface area.
Chup. So she's wrong. Surface area of a solid hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So that is equal to 3 pi r square. Okay? Be alert. All right. Now, students, let's do the first question. Okay, find the volume of a sphere whose radius is. All right, students. So we have discussed all the formulas. Now do the first sum. Volume of sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. Which formula we will apply? First formula. So volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Students, always remember one thing. When something is asked, let us say they ask what is volume of sphere. Always write completely volume of sphere is equal to, write the formula in first line. Then put the value of r. So it will be 4 by 3 pi. What is the value for pi? 22 by 7 into what is the radius? 7. So it will be 7 into 7 into 7. Right, students? So this will be the answer, right? So it will be 7 will cut with 7 and remaining calculation you do and send me the answers by WhatsApp. Okay. Second part, instead of R, you will use R is equal to 0.63 meter. Beautiful. And then find the volume. Then second sum. Find the volume of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter 28 centimeter. Oh, see, this understanding of this sum, students, will help you to understand the buoyancy in physics, right? He says amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball. So basically, he means that this is a water container. In this water container, water is full and we are dropping a what? We are dropping a solid sphere into this. This is a solid sphere. So solid sphere will displace water equal to its volume. You know, see, instead of the sphere, initially there was water. In that place, when the sphere came, the water was displaced. Displaced means the place of water has changed. Yes, they have. It has
Been occupied by that.
has been occupied by the sphere. Good. Or it has been changed. The place of something has been, like we can say, displacement of something, displacement of a body. That means body has left the initial position, body has gone to some other final position, right? That is known as displacement of body, displacement of water. So water will. So can Monroe tell me how we will find displacement of water? Loudly.
Finding the volume.
By finding the volume of sphere. It will. So same. We will use same formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, and putting the. If you put 28 centimeter diameter, so the radius will be how much? Adi? Radius will be 14. I'm sorry, this is centimeter. 14 centimeter. Find the volume. Then find in the second case the diameter is quite big, 0.21 meter. So what will be the radius? Yeah, 0.21 divided by 2 is equal to, yeah, tell me, 0.21 divided by 2 will be equal to 0.105 meter. Remember that, right? 0.105 meter. So similarly, find the volume. Then comes the third sum. Now it says diameter of metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. This is a metallic ball. Metallic ball diameter is how much? 4.2. So what will be radius? 2.1 centimeter, right? What is the mass of the ball? If the density of the metal is this, very interesting question. This is density, rho. Rho is equal to 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Any student can tell me that,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah, tell me, sure.
Sir, in the second question, they have said the find the water displaced by a spherical ball of diameter,
Uh,
but they have not told us the amount of water is in that object in that container.
Okay, okay. That is not important. You see, whether, okay. You see, Pranav, please see this. Suppose we are having a large container, small container, and we are having a very big container. We are having three containers. In these three containers, let us say we are dropping the same sphere, 2 and 3. So, beta, what is the meaning of amount of water displaced? Now, suppose this first container is having 10 liter water, this is having 100 liter water, and suppose this one is having 1000 liter water. All the containers are having different amount of water, but the volume of water displaced by every sphere in all the cases will be
Same.
same.
If the radius.
If the, one second, I will tell you something. If the radius of the sphere in all the three cases is same, because the volume will be same. Okay, Pranav, one more thing. Beta, think about these three containers totally filled uh, till the top. Imagine these three containers are totally filled till the top. Okay, now think that if we drop sphere in all the three containers, how much water will come outside?
The same.
Same. Why? Because the volume of sphere is same. So the water displaced, Pranav, does not depend upon how much water is already there in the container. It only depends upon the volume of sphere. Is it clear, Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. Good. So, guys, now, I'm very happy about Pranav asking doubts. You have any doubt? Please ask doubt. If I'm not able to complete video, don't worry, but your doubt should be answered. Okay, now how we will do this sum? We want to density of material is given. So density is equal to, can any student tell me what is the formula for density? Density is equal to mass by volume. So we want to find the mass. So mass will be equal to density into volume. So density is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Simply multiply density by the volume. Volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is r? So r is 2.1 centimeter. If you just do it, you will find the mass. Very good. All right, students. Now let's do fourth sum. Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of earth. So radius of moon will also be 1/4 of radius of earth. What fraction of volume of earth is the volume of moon? Okay, what fraction of volume of Earth? What fraction of volume of Earth is equal to volume of Moon? Okay, so basically, in other words, we can say we want to find the ratio of volume of Earth and volume of Moon. So volume of Moon divided by volume of Earth will be equal to 4 by 3 pi radius of Moon cube divided by 4 by 3 pi radius of Earth cube. So this will be equal to Rm by Re whole cube, because 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi I will cut up and down. So Rm by R3, from here I will get Rm by Re will be equal to 1 by 4. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 cube, that is 64. Am I right? 4 cube and 64. So he says, what fraction of volume of Earth? Right, he basically wants like this: what fraction of volume of Earth? Means volume of Earth must be multiplied by what to get volume of Moon. This is what he wants. So volume of Earth must be multiplied by, yes Argun, volume of Earth must be multiplied by what to get volume of Moon? Yes, Mansimrat?
1/4.
No, you're wrong.
1/60.
Beautiful. It will be 1 by 64. All right. So, because always remember, when something is bigger, when you want to convert it into smaller, you have to multiply it by less than 1. If something is smaller, you have to make it bigger. Then you have to multiply it by a number more than 1. Very important thing to make a good judgment in calculation. Once again, bigger thing should be multiplied by less than 1 to decrease its size. Smaller thing should be multiplied by more than 1 to increase its size. Sometimes if you multiply bigger thing bigger with a number bigger than 1, it will become more bigger, not smaller. Right. Oh, sorry. So students, now we are having this question: how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? So this is the hemispherical bowl. So diameter is 10, so radius will be 10.5 centimeter divided by 2, right? 10.5 centimeter divided by 2. This is the radius of the hemispherical bowl. How many liters of milk will come? Yes, students. How many liters of milk? So first we will found the internal volume, right? Using 4 by 3 pi 10.5 by 2 cube, right? Suppose you got the volume. This will be volume in centimeter cube. Now, yes, tell me the conversion of centimeter cube into liter. How we will convert?
Sir,
Yes, there's a doubt.
sir, volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r square.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, beta. So you must divide this volume by 2. See that, Falgun? Thank you very much. Very good. Volume should be divided by 2. So now 1000 centimeter cube is equal to how many liter? 1 liter. So whatever volume comes, that volume you will divide by 1000 to get liter, right? Beautiful. Thank you very much, Falgun, to make the correction. Beautiful. Now comes hemispherical tank. Again, hemispherical tank means tank like this. Hemispherical tank. If it is a cylindrical tank is like this, but this is a hemispherical tank like this. So made up of iron sheet, 1 centimeter thick. Oh, beautiful question. It is made up of iron sheet. So this thickness is how much? 1 centimeter. Inner radius is 1 meter. This, you see students, I will just tell you the inner radius. This is 1 meter. right? Yeah. Inner radius. So what will be the outer radius, Monrose?
Outer radius will be 2 centimeter.
Outer radius will be, inner radius is 1. Outer radius will be 1 meter plus 1 centimeter. So it will be, so it will be 101 centimeter. Am I right, Mansimrat Kaur? Am I right or wrong? Okay, okay. You're looking like this. I thought I've done a mistake. Okay. So 1 meter, or you can say in meters. I can say how much? How much meters? 1 meter plus 1 centimeter. Sargun.
1 meter.
1 meter plus 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? 1.01 meter. This is outer radius. He says, find the volume of iron used to make the tank. Yes. What is the volume of iron used? Any student? What is the volume of iron
The
used?
volume of
Outside?
bit outer than outer radius.
Outer
minus,
hemispherical minus volume of
inner.
inner. Correct. This is the volume of iron used. Would be equal to VO minus VI. So again, I should not make the mistake. Volume of hemisphere is 2 pi. It is 2 volume of outer will be volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So it will be 2 by 3 pi r o cube minus r I cube. That's all. So it will be 2 by 2 pi by 3 r o is how much? 1.01 cube minus 1 cube. That's all. This will be the volume in meter cube. Am I right? Am I right, Rose?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So we have 2 minutes. We can complete all the sums. Don't worry. Let's try. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is this. Simple. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square is equal to 154. Okay, so r square would be equal to 154 divided by 4 into 22 multiplied by 7. Simple. So this is 11 to the 22, 11, 1, 11, 14 is 154. So, so it's very simple. 2, 7. Correct. So R is equal to 7 by 2. Simple. That is equal to 3.5.
3.5
Alright.
centimeters.
Pranav, you have done it. I'm so happy. Now we
Yes, sir.
go with the grace of God. Last sum 8. He says, what is the last sum? Monrose, read it fast.
A dome of a building is
Read loudly.
A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside it,
So this is the dome of building, like normally in gurdwaras, temples and all. In masjids also you will find this kind of dome. Okay, some people, once I was at Harimandir Sahib, one foreigner asked me why the dome of gurdwara is the shape of gurdwara is a mix of temple and masjid. Really around maybe 7 8 years when I was working in university, I could not answer. I said, I don't know. I don't know reason behind it. Then I went back to university. Then there was a colleague, female professor. God had bestowed a lot of beauty to her and a lot of brains also. I said the name was Shipara. I think Shipara from Kashmir. So Shipara, this is a question asked by one foreigner. She said it's a very interesting question. She Muslim professor, and during taking coffee, she told me, Omkar, I came to know about the answer. He says, I think the Guru Nanak was a river flowing between Hindu and Muslim religion, which try to combine the essence of both the religions and try to promote love for both.